So when it comes to health, who's responsible for your health? You. There was a study called Death by Medicine. It was done by Dr. Gary Knoll and several other medical doctors. And the purpose for this study was to see who determines a person's health. They went through several different avenues to look into doctors' offices, into hospitals, and also pharmaceuticals to see where a person's health was actually determined. There was three main things Dr. Knoll discovered. One, when a patient went into a doctor's office, mentally they kind of lose their responsibility for health. What I mean by that is they're giving the doctor the responsibility to make them healthy. And it's really not the avenue that we want to take. You see, you go to a doctor because you are responsible for your health, and you're asking the doctor for advice and education like we stated earlier. You are not making the doctor responsible for your health. The number two thing the study found was that patients relied on their pharmaceutical medications and/or over-the-counter medications to create health within them. Again, not the way we want to look at it. Our body works from the inside out. So anything we put into our bodies from the outside does not make us necessarily healthy. It can make us sick or healthy. For example, some people think, oh, I have high blood pressure. If I take a pill for that and it relieves my high blood pressure, then I'm healthy. Not true at all. Just because you're masking a symptom, just because you're covering up a symptom, does not mean you're healthy at all. This pertains to anything. For example, if you have a headache and you take a Tylenol and the headache goes away, does not mean you're cured yourself of a headache. It just means temporarily you've put a piece of masking tape over your engine light, telling you that something was wrong. What an alarming part of the study is that when doctors prescribe medications, the number one reason why they prescribe that medication is based on a pharmaceutical rep's recommendations. It was not at all what the doctor thought would be best. You see, this is not a point to blame any doctor for any type of pharmaceutical medication. What it is, there are so many pharmaceutical medications, it is impossible for any physician to understand all the complications and contraindications for medications. So they rely on the pharmaceutical reps to help them and guide them through their decision making. And the number three thing that I found most alarming was that the insurance companies determined the health of the patient. For example, if you went into the doctor's office for a procedure, the first thing the doctor has to do is get an approval from your insurance company. There's many instances where the insurance company will not allow one type of a procedure, but a less expensive procedure to save money. This is only a benefit to the insurance company and not at all a benefit to the patient. As responsibility pertains to you in this office, it is your responsibility to follow through care, to do your home rehab, to make sure you follow through with all recommendations. We are here to assist you in any way possible. I just want you to understand that responsibility to health is yours. We'll see you next time.